Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel The English Lane. This is your favorite place to learn real and simple English. Here we talk about everyday topics, true experiences and give motivation. Today I will share something personal and special. I am going to England. My English is weak. That is why I'm taking this journey. I want to improve my English. I believe this trip will change my life. My English journey to England, a real story for beginners. Let me tell you everything in easy English. This is for everyone, especially beginners. I also started from zero. I'm still learning, step by step. This story is not just about travel, it is about my dream. I want to speak English better. I want to understand others. I want to feel confident. If you feel nervous while speaking English, this video is for you. If you feel shy or afraid, don't worry. I also feel that sometimes, but it's okay. Mistakes are normal. Confusion is normal, but stopping is not okay. Never stop learning. That is the first rule. As I pack my bags, I feel excited. I also feel nervous. This is my first big international trip. I will be surrounded by people who speak fast English, real English, British English. I may not understand everything. I may feel lost. I may make mistakes. That is okay. Mistakes help us learn. To improve, I must speak again and again, listen again and again, practice daily. That's why I am going to England. Not for fun, not for vacation. I am going for education, for growth, for change. During this tour, I will focus on one goal. I want to improve my English. England is an English-speaking country. There, I will listen to native speakers. I will speak in real situations. I will read signs and menus. I will ask for directions. I will order food. I will talk to people. I will do everything in English. This is not just a tour. It is a classroom. The world is my school. England is my teacher. I will share every step with you. Through videos, stories and tips. You can learn with me from home. Even if you are not traveling. My plan is simple. I will stay in a small town. People speak clearly there. Big cities are too fast. For learners like me, slow English is better. I will talk to local people in markets, in cafes, in shops, on buses. My grammar may not be perfect. My sentence may be broken. Still, I will speak. Speaking is more important than being perfect. I will carry a notebook. I will write new words, new phrases, useful sentences. I will write them every day. Then I will say them loudly. If I hear someone say, "Could you please help me find this?" I will repeat it 10 times until I remember it. I will learn 5 new words each day. I will use them. At night, I will review everything. I will speak in front of the mirror. This is called self-practice. It helps a lot. I will also go to the library. I will read children's books. They are easy to understand, good for vocabulary. I will join small English classes, or I will meet language exchange groups. Some people want to learn Urdu. I want to learn English. We will help each other. I will build my confidence slowly but surely. I will also record small videos. I will speak in English. I will show what I see, what I eat, where I go, how I feel. My English will not be perfect. That's okay. This is real learning. I will try to think in English. I will live in English. I want to train my brain. This is what I tell others. Live in English. Even if you are in Pakistan or India, learning English does not need a passport. It needs passion. If you are watching this, I know you have that passion. This journey is not only mine, it is ours. I am a simple person. I had weak English, but I had a dream. I went to England. I learned. I came back stronger, not just because of books, but because of practice, real conversations, strong motivation. I will also face problems. Some people may not understand me. I may say something wrong. I may get lost. I may read a sign wrong, but I will not give up. I will get up again. I will learn something new. I will laugh at my mistakes. I will keep going. This is language learning, not about being perfect. It is about being brave. I am going with a brave heart, with a dream to learn, with a mission to help others. You are not alone. You are not stuck. You are not small. English is not just a language, it is a bridge. It opens doors, it builds connections. My dear friends, if your English is weak, don't feel sad. Feel inspired, feel ready, feel excited. We are in this together. Start your journey from your room, watch these videos, repeat after me, speak daily. If you stay with me, your English will improve step by step, word by word, day by day. At the end of my tour, I will share my full story. The words I learned, the mistakes I made, the people I met, the lessons I lived, the English I spoke. I hope you will be proud of me. I will be proud of you. Learning English is for everyone. Students, mothers, fathers, workers, teachers, dreamers. Join me. Watch every video. Speak with me. Believe in yourself. Yes, you can learn English. Thank you for your support, for your likes, for your comments, for your prayers. They mean a lot. If you want more videos like this, please like, share and comment. And most importantly, subscribe to The English Lane. This is your channel, your community, your English family. Together we will learn, we will speak, we will grow, we will shine. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. From England.